How to get mold out of cars. You already know how disgusting mold can be if you've ever been around food that has gone rotten. Some mold species, such as the deadly black mold, not only make a mess wherever they grow, but also put people's safety at risk. Therefore, it can be unsettling to discover this stuff growing within your car. When it comes to maintaining the interior quality of your car, mold in cars is more than just an annoyance. Fortunately, there are tried and true techniques that can help you get mold out of your car. So let's learn how to get mold out of your car. What causes the growth of mold in a car? Mold spreads through the air, making it extremely challenging to stop it once it has begun. Mold can enter your vehicle's interior in several ways, including leaving the windows open when it's raining. Interior items are left damp as a result of roof or window leaks. Leaving your vehicle in a wet garage. A lack of ventilation in the passenger area. Juice and liquid spill on the seats and the ground flooding harm. Your car's interior is susceptible to an excessive amount of moisture in each of these scenarios. The first thing that will appear is microscopic mold spores, which will swiftly spread throughout your entire interior. If you crank up the air conditioning, this procedure will go more quickly because the circulating air helps disperse any airborne mold spores throughout the cabin. Mold is most likely to form in areas of your interior that collect moisture, such as the seats and carpets. A mold of many kinds might develop inside the vehicle. Mildew is one of the most prevalent varieties and has a dark appearance. Additionally, mildew gives off a bad odor, making your home's interior a fairly unpleasant place to be in. How to get mold out of a car? Preparation is essential while trying to remove mold from a car's interior. Mold can create major health problems if you're not careful. Among the numerous health effects associated with mold exposure include asthma, heart disease, chronic fatigue, skin rashes, and liver damage. Wear gloves to avoid skin irritations that could result from bare hands coming into contact with the mold. Put on work glasses or goggles to protect your eyes. Some types of mold are known to irritate the eyes. Use a respirator or high-quality mask to protect your face. Asthma and breathing issues may result from mold spores entering your respiratory system. You can attempt to remove the mold yourself if you have some free time. Give the interior a thorough vacuuming before beginning the mold removal process. Make sure to cover every interior surface, including the center console, doors, floor mats, and seats. To completely clear the debris from underneath the seats, move the seats back and forward. Keep in mind to vacuum the cup holders as well. Once you're prepared, here's how to get the mold out of your car. Use white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar is one of the best items you may use to remove mold because of its moderately acidic nature. White vinegar may also be used on several interior car materials, including leather and vinyl, because of its adaptability. Here's how to remove mold from a car interior with white vinegar. Add some clean water to the white vinegar solution to dilute it. Only use undiluted vinegar on areas where mold growth is really bad. Utilize a spray bottle or a piece of cloth to apply the white vinegar and water mixture to the mold areas. Lightly scrub, then let the liquid cure for about 20 minutes. Use a wet dry vacuum to remove the dead mold. Vinegar has one drawback when it comes to removing mold, though. It has a potent smell that some people may find overbearing. But you can easily get rid of this by leaving the doors open till the scent goes away naturally or by spritzing the space with your preferred air freshener. Are you learning from the video so far? Great, you won't want to miss out on our future content. So subscribe now to stay updated. Let's keep it going. Try out baking soda. Baking soda is a great mold remover and you probably have some of it someplace in your kitchen. This is primarily because of the material's moderate alkali composition, which dissolves organic things like mold. Thoroughly vacuum the interior. Apply some baking soda to the moldy areas. Allow it to sit for roughly 20 minutes, then cleanse the area. Clean up the remaining powdery debris. For even more potent results, combine baking soda with white vinegar or clove oil. If the mold in your home is bad, combine some baking soda with clove oil, then clean the area with the mixture with a toothbrush or another small brush. After it dries, you can wipe away the leftover material. Make use of a non-iodized salt. Another effective way to stop the spread of mold is with a non-iodized salt solution. It removes the water from the mold spores, dehydrating them till they die. Vacuum the area to remove the surface mold. Make a concentrated salt and water solution. Apply the prepared remedy well to every location that has mold growth. Allow the vehicle to sit in direct sunlight until the surface becomes dry and a crusty residue appears. Use water or a vacuum cleaner to get rid of the mold stains. When employing this technique on leather surfaces, you should exercise caution because salt's corrosive properties can eventually cause the leather, plastic, or carpet material to deteriorate. Utilize clove oil. Clove oil is a superb mold remover, despite being most commonly associated with treating toothaches. Clove oil's antiseptic properties eliminate mold spores and, for good measure, reduce the likelihood of subsequent growth. Vacuum to remove surface mold. To make the cleaning solution, thoroughly combine 1 liter of water with 1/4 of a teaspoon of clove oil. Apply a small bit of the solution to each mold location. Clean the moldy patches with the solution until it separates from the carpet. Dry the area, then clean it. Use special cleaning agents. If every other method fails, you can get some good results by using one of the many mold removal products available on the market. Here are some alternatives for various scenarios. Try a solution like this mold and mildew stain remover spray for tough mold eradication. In just 15 seconds, this formula's rapid action may remove even the most stubborn mold spots. Use the Chemical Guys mold removal kit if you want a more complete package. It includes the cleaning solution, an extra spray bottle, and a drill brush, everything you need to get rid of car mold from the inside. Use the Mold Armor mold blocker spray to stop new mold from growing. The antibacterial qualities of this spray can stop mold growth in your interior for up to 2 months after only 1 application. Before using the product, make sure you thoroughly read the directions and determine whether the material of your interior is compatible with it. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.